Ever wondered why the weight loss program that you tried didn't work? Well, I'm going to give you today the top 5 reasons why weight loss programs fail. And I'm going to tell you the number one, without a shadow of a doubt, is this one right here, which, by the way, drives me crazy. And that is pre-packaged food. Oh, what are you talking about, Dr. Clark? I mean, I lost weight on Nutrisystems and whatever else. Yeah, okay, what happened when you got sick of the food and wouldn't eat it anymore? Guess what happened? You put the weight back on. So the program failed, okay? A weight loss program is one that not only helps you lose weight, but helps you be healthier so you can maintain your weight loss, okay? And how to change your lifestyle where you can maintain the optimal weight that you want. So prepackaged foods are generally low quality foods. They're full of inflammatory foods. They're full of chemicals. And so guess what? Yeah, you lose weight with them, but then as soon as you go off of it because you're sick of it, you're less healthy than you were before you started, and you actually put that weight back on plus some as a general rule. Number 2, and this one is almost as bad, and that is cheap supplements. What I mean by cheap is the products are cheap. They have cheap chemical nutrients that are not made from whole foods, and they don't work. They're ineffective. Yeah, you may lose weight, but again, your health deteriorates. You come off of the packaged food or off of the supplementation, and you've got the same problem. You put the weight right back on, and then even more. Number 3 is there's non-specific diet. Non-specific diet. It's like this. Oh, hey, eat better. Okay, or go low carb. Or maybe it's like, okay, avoid inflammatory foods. Okay, what? Or they tell you, okay, eat this. Okay, but how much of it? And when do I eat it? And all those things. It's not specific enough. You need to know portion sizes. You need to know types of food. You need to know frequency of eating. That's critically important. And then, this probably is the 2 biggest reasons of all. Number 1, they don't address the metabolic problem. And what I mean by the metabolic problem is I did a video you can refer to, the top 5 reasons why people can't lose weight. And I'll just name them for you, and you can refer back to that video. But it is thyroid problems. It is adrenal problems. It is hormone problems, liver problems, okay, as well as digestion and inflammatory problems. All right, and then the last one, okay, is this is the killer, is they don't have coaching. So there's no coaching and no accountability. I'm going to tell you right now, this right here is huge. So in other words, what's going to happen when you hit a tough spot? What's going to happen when you hit a plateau? How are you going to get through it? Who's going to help you with that? Who are you accountable to every week to check in and do that? Some offer accountability, but very few offer accountability and coaching, which is specific. In our program, if you reverse engineer this, and what works is to do these 5 things. Avoid packaged food. We have no packaged foods in our program. We have only top grade doctor supplementations, homeopathy, amino acids to help change your metabolism, okay? As well as we have a very specific diet program, how much to eat, when to eat it, what types of food, and also we even have a grocery list to help you and recipes to help it make it enjoyable for you so you can enjoy your life and your food. And we do stress fixing the underlying problem. Through a complete blood analysis, we find the underlying problem, and then we outline specific ways to correct that. And then lastly, have a full coaching program with us. So if that's what you're looking for, then the Revive program is for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Until then, live life well and live life thin.